I got a nice little gadget sent to me from the RVLeveler Pro folk. They want me to demo this product they have that assists with leveling. Now we have this nice 2017 Cornerstone, which is amazing with the Equalizer leveling system. It's not really required, but it's also nice to have just to make sure the site that you're on is fairly level before you put your slides out and level your coach. So we use this when we pull into a site. We open up the app and we get an early indication how level we are front to back and left to right. And then before we deploy our leveling system, we know exactly if the coach is fairly level, and our equalizer system will work as intended. Now, if you have a trailer, fifth wheel, Class C, this leveling system more of a benefit to you because now you know your leveling blocks and stuff, how many you're going to need to in order to bring your coach or your trailer or your Class C back up to some level ground. So this is a great little product. I recommend it for any RV owner if you just want to make sure you have some peace of mind before you level your coach or trailer or Class C or van or whatever RV that you have. Hope you appreciate these tech tips. My name is Stuart with 3 Dogs in an RV, and we'll catch you in a future video.